Welcome to this video on computer specification and compatibility. In this video, we'll be discussing the different specification of computer parts, including their speed and capacity units, as well as specific specification designed for office computer, gaming computer, and rendering computers. We'll also be discussing how to determine compatibility between computer parts and motherboard. So whether you're building a computer for work or play, this video will provide you with the information you need to choose the right component and ensure they work together seamlessly. Let's get started. What is a specification? A specification refers to the detailed description of technical characteristics of a product or service, including its size, capacity, speed, and features. What are the different specifications of computer parts? Different computer parts have different specifications. Some of the most common specifications include processor speed, RAM capacity, storage capacity, measured in gigabytes or terabytes, graphic card memory, and motherboard size. What are the speed unit use different computer parts? Different computer parts use different units to measure speed. For example, processor speed is measured in gigahertz, while RAM speed is measured in megahertz. What are capacity units used in different computer parts? Different computer parts use different units to measure capacity. For example, storage capacity is measured in gigabytes or terabytes, while RAM capacity is measured in gigabytes. What specifications are designed for office computer? For an office computer, you will typically want processor with a clock speed of at least 2.5 GHz, 8 gigabytes or more of RAM, and the storage capacity of 256 GB or higher. A dedicated graphic card may not be necessary. It depends on type of work you'll be doing. What specifications are built for gaming? For gaming, you want a processor with a clock speed of at least 3.5 GHz, 16 GB or more of RAM, and dedicated graphic card with at least 4 GB of memory. You'll, you'll also want a storage capacity of at least 500 GB or higher, preferably with solid-state drive for faster load times. What specifications are suggested for rendering computer? For rendering computer, you want a processor with high core count and clock speed. Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9, 32 gigabytes or more, or RAM, a dedicated graphic card with at least 8 gigabytes of memory and storage capacity of 1 terabytes or higher, preferably with solid-state drive. How much budget is needed to build a gaming computer? The budget required to build a gaming computer can vary widely depending on a specific component you choose. However, a decent gaming computer can be built for around $800 to $1,200, while a high-end gaming computer can cost upward of $2,000 or more. How can I tell that computer part is compatible with motherboard? To determine if a computer part is compatible with motherboard, you should check the specification of both the motherboard and components. For example, if you're purchasing the new graphic card, you should check if it's compatible type of PCI Express slot on your motherboard. Generalization and conclusion. In general, the specification of computer will depend on intended use. Office computer can have lower specification than gaming or rendering computer, which require more powerful components. It's important to check compatibility or components before purchasing and to budget according for specific needs of computer.